What do you have to say to the bride and groom?
I love you both. Cheers to a happy union, and I can't wait to see what the future brings.
Hi everyone. As many of you know, I'm Elise's sister, and as she often puts it, her built-in best friend. And over the years, I've just noticed how true that is. We've gotten so close, and you know that we always can unconditionally support one another. So I'm very grateful for that. On to Eric. I'll always remember the first time I met Eric. We were on a night out, and I was out with some friends, and the two of them met us out. And even after I'd had a few drinks, I knew that I liked Eric right away. And I think from that night, I was already ready to fall in love with him. So I'm very, very happy that it's come to this.
Words cannot describe how honored I am to be here with you today. As your best man, your best friend, giving this speech to usher in a lifetime of happiness for you and most likely a lifetime of babysitting for Elise. I love you both as individuals and together. So if you can all stand up, please all raise your glasses and a toast to the new Mr. and Mrs. Davey, and let the party begin.